Good morning, students. In our previous videos, we have already discussed about the general preparation, lab preparation, physical and chemical properties of hydrogen chloride gas. Now we are going to start hydrochloric acid. We know the when hydrogen chloride gas dissolve in water, it form hydrochloric acid. When HCl gas dissolve in water, it form hydrochloric acid. HCl is a covalent compound. When the hydrogen chloride dissolve in water, it form hydrochloric acid. HCl is a covalent compound, polar covalent compound, means on hydrogen there is a partial positive and on chlorine there is a partial negative charge. HCl, hydrogen chloride, ionize and give H positive and Cl negative only in the presence of water. Only in the presence of water. This H positive combines with the water molecule and gives hydronium ion. By combining these two equations, we can summarize HCl, hydrogen chloride gas, when dissolved in water, it gives hydronium ion and chloride ion. When HCl gas dissolve in water, it gives hydronium ion. It shows the acidic nature of hydrogen chloride. This shows the acidic nature of hydrogen chloride. Next is first point, when the dry hydrogen chloride means without water. When the gas is without water, and the liquefied hydrogen chloride, when we form liquid from hydrogen chloride gas under high pressure and low temperature, it doesn't produce hydronium ion or H positive ion and do not turn blue litmus paper red, showing non-acidic character. Hydrogen chloride gas shows acidic character only in the presence of water. It gives ion only in the presence of water. It doesn't ionize in the absence of water and do not turn blue litmus red and shows non-acidic character. Next is liquefied hydrogen chloride and dry hydrogen chloride. Liquefied means under pressure and dry hydrogen chloride means without water molecules. Doesn't conduct electricity. In the absence of water molecules or in the absence of moisture, it doesn't conduct electricity due to the absence of ions. HCl gas form ions only in the presence of water. It shows its covalent nature. Covalent nature means it doesn't produce ions in the absence of water. Next is gas is also soluble in toluene. It is an organic compound, but in this case it neither turn blue litmus paper red and nor conduct electricity. What it means, it dissolve in water and give ions and show acidic character. But in the case of toluene, it dissolve or soluble in toluene but neither turn blue litmus paper red nor conduct electricity, because in this case it doesn't produce hydronium ion and hydrogen chloride shows covalent nature. Next is the laboratory method of preparation of hydrochloric acid. Aqueous solution of hydrogen chloride gas. Aqueous solution means when hydrogen chloride gas dissolve in water, it form hydrochloric acid. Aqueous solution, when hydrogen chloride gas is passed through water, it form aqueous solution of hydrogen chloride gas. It is also known as hydrochloric acid. It is prepared by dissolving hydrogen chloride gas in water. When the gas is passed into water, when we pass the gas into water, it forms saturated solution or concentrated solution, contain 36% of hydrogen chloride by mass. Rest of the mass is water. Next is procedure. For the preparation of hydrochloric acid, we use inverted funnel arrangement. Here in this figure 8.4, we use inverted funnel. This is inverted funnel and this is the delivery tube connected with the supply of hydrogen chloride gas. When the hydrogen chloride gas pass through this delivery tube and enter in this inverted funnel, and we take this water trough containing water and we place inverted funnel in the beaker in such a way that it just touches the water taken in water trough. We know the HCl gas is highly soluble in water and the water rises in the inverted funnel and cause air gap. This is due to the high solubility of HCl gas in water because there is a difference in the inside and outside pressure. Back suction occurs and in turn the level outside funnel falls, creating air gap between rim of the funnel and the surface of water. Here we use inverted funnel when the hydrogen chloride gas starts dissolving in water and water from the water trough start moving in the backward direction and cause air gap. This air gap prevent the back suction. Back suction means avoid or prevent the water from this water trough to enter to the supply of hydrogen chloride gas. Pressure outside and inside then become equal when the pressure outside and the inside means in the delivery tube or in the supply of hydrogen chloride gas. The water which had risen in the funnel falls down. This water which cause air gap falls down again. This process continues until the water in the water trough becomes saturated and no more hydrogen chloride gas dissolve in this water, and the resulting water in the water trough become hydrochloric acid, and this is the formation of hydrochloric acid. This is the lab preparation of hydrochloric acid. We use inverted funnel to prevent back suction. Back suction is the movement of water through this funnel in the supply of hydrogen chloride gas. Next is the mechanism by which back suction is avoided or minimized. Funnel arrangement. We use inverted funnel arrangement. It prevents or minimize the back suction of water. It prevents back suction by creating air gap. Next is provide large surface area for the absorption of water. If we are not use this funnel, then it provide lesser area for the absorption of hydrogen chloride gas in the water, but with the use of inverted funnel, the surface area for the absorption become larger. Next is, why is the funnel arrangement used? We know the hydrogen chloride gas is highly soluble in water and it absorbs more quickly than being generated. It absorbs more quickly than it generated. In this case, the pressure inside the delivery tube and the flask is reduced. In this delivery tube or in the flask where the hydrogen chloride gas generated, here the pressure is reduced. The atmospheric pressure from outside forces the water back into the delivery tube. Here the atmospheric pressure forces the water back into the delivery tube. This effect is called back suction. If we use the tube made of ordinary narrow glass tubing, then the water will quickly fill in it. If we are not using this inverted funnel, then the water move quickly and passing to the generating flask. This would stop the reaction would stop, and it cause explosion, because when the hydrogen chloride gas produced, this is the exothermic reaction, and his heat is also produced. When the water come in contact with hot concentrated sulfuric acid, it cause explosion. To avoid explosion, we use inverted funnel arrangement instead of ordinary narrow glass tubing. Next is precaution. To prevent such an accident, to prevent such an explosion, we use anti-suction device between generating flask and water truck. Between generating flask and water truck. Here we use anti-suction device. Anti-suction device means to prevent back suction. In this case, if back suction occur, the water will collect in this anti-suction device and will not reach to the generating flask and prevent the explosion. Next is